Here's what you should know about ChatGPT to impress your friends and colleagues. So let's go into ChatGPT and what that does specifically. First, let's look at the use cases that it can support. So one of them are job openings or job opportunities. With ChatGPT, it allows you to read emails or read requests coming in. So you could take an email from a customer with a request, give it to ChatGPT, and then it can summarize the important details for you. Candidate engagement is another area. So being able to write personalized content or personalized messaging to candidates is really helpful. So if you have a message from a candidate, you can ask ChatGPT to write a response for you. Content creation is another big area where you can use ChatGPT to write, social media posts, job ads, blog posts, and similar. Customer relations is another area. You can, of course, use it to write responses to messages, but also you can use it to write sales material for you. Business insights, you can, of course, ask ChatGPT what are the most important KPIs to use, but also you can give it information and then it will summarize it for you. And of course, being able to see the key highlights of your business is very critical. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and the number behind it is just a version of the model. GPT is an advanced artificial intelligence, or AI, language processing model developed by a company called OpenAI. And the real breakthrough happened when they trained this model on a massive dataset of text from the internet. They actually used as much as 300 billion words, and the sources they used were books, web text, Wikipedia, and articles. GPT, it's a neural network-based language model and one of the most advanced AI models of its kind. It's capable of understanding and responding to a wide range of topics and styles of language, making it a powerful tool for a variety of applications. The primary goal of GPT is to generate human-like text, and it's able to understand and respond to natural language, making it possible for users to have conversation with it just as they would with a human. It can also be used for tasks such as natural language processing, machine learning, and even creative writing. It's very impressive, the results that you get from GPT. It's almost indistinguishable from text written by a human. Another important feature of GPT is its ability to understand context. This means that it can understand the meaning of text based on the context in which it's used. For example, if you were to ask GPT to write an article about a specific topic, it would be able to understand the context of the topic and generate text that is relevant and appropriate. It also has API-based deployment, so you can write integrations to it. And in Globus, we're actually using that to bring GPT models directly into our applications. ChatGPT is a complex language model. You feed it a question or a prompt, which is called, and the model calculates what it thinks the next word should be. One of the most important things when using ChatGPT is to understand prompt engineering, or how to ask it questions efficiently. What you want to do is first reset the model. So tell the model to forget every instruction before this one. Create an identity for the model. So as an example, tell the model that it should act as a recruiter. Give it some brains. In this case, I'm saying that it's working in the healthcare staffing space. So it gives it a bit more context. Then set the task. And here I wanted to source or create a sourcing strategy for getting qualified applicants. Then define the output that you want. I want an output as a table. So I tell it to provide the answer in the table format. And then a nice hack is to allow it to ask questions back to you. So ask me any questions you need to do your job. That's the last part, my prompt. If you have all of this, you should get really good results from using ChatGPT. Some of the other very interesting developments in this space is image generation using AI. And you might have seen this. This is created using Midjourney version 5. And with version 5, the images that it is able to create is just stunning and very photorealistic, as you can see in this example. So this can be used to create stock photos for your recruitment campaigns, which is very useful. You see here, I've created a photo of a businesswoman greeting a woman in the workplace, and then it looks like this, very photorealistic, and you can choose what version to use. So let's say I choose this one, that's version 2, and then it will create more variations based on that photo. Or you can choose to upscale that photo. Another pretty interesting thing to try is to create your own chatbot. So here I've used something called Poe. You can go out and try it, it's free. You'll see this list of existing bots, but what you can do is to create bot. And it gives you this, you can write the name of the bot. Let's try to make a sarcastic recruitment bot. And then click create bot down at the bottom. And you're basically done. There we go. And you can use this also as a very nice tool to kind of demonstrate the capabilities internally in your business.